Hello guys, welcome. Today we're going to solve a problem on the electrochemical series. Alright then, do well to subscribe, give a share, like the video to support us. Now let's dive into today's question. All the following metals can displace hydrogen from water or steam except sodium, calcium, iron or copper. Now we're told from the list of elements here, sodium, calcium, iron, and copper, which of these elements will not be able to displace hydrogen from the electrochemical series? Alright, go ahead, pause the video and give it a try, and let's see what you come up with. Leave your answer in the comments, let us know, so that in future videos we'll know how to, give more detailed explanations on our videos. Alright then, let's dive into the question. Alright then, now the first thing we're going to do is bring out our elements, sodium, calcium, and iron. And what we're going to do is compare it with the electrochemical series. And with that, we're going to determine which of them is not going to be able to displace hydrogen from the electrochemical series. Now the first element there is sodium, which is this one, sodium ion, and the second one is the calcium ion, and the iron, let me highlight that up for you. Then the last one is copper ion. Now from these four ions, we have been asked which of these will not be able to displace hydrogen. All right, we're asked which of them will not be able to displace hydrogen. Now if you check sodium ion, calcium ion, and iron, they are above hydrogen in the electrochemical series, while copper ion is below hydrogen in the electrochemical series. Because of this, the elements above hydrogen, they are going to displace hydrogen in any reaction at all. Because of that, they are going to displace hydrogen. And for copper, it is below hydrogen. Because of this, hydrogen is going to displace copper. All right, it is going to displace copper because copper is below hydrogen, and henceforth copper is below hydrogen. Only the metals above can displace hydrogen in cold, hot, or in steam. It is below, and hence it cannot displace hydrogen. Now we're going to look at the reaction of this so we can prove how it occurs. We can't just say copper cannot displace hydrogen without showing it out. This is chemistry, guys. We have to, bring out the equation and show it out from our own analysis. Now, we're going to do that right now. Now, from the first equation, when we react sodium with steam or water, this is what we're going to get. You see, that's what we're going to get. We're going to get sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. This is sodium hydroxide, and from our next equation, when we react calcium with water or steam, we're going to get calcium hydroxide and we're going to get hydrogen. So if you check from our next reaction, when we react iron with water, we're going to get iron oxide, iron 2 oxide, and hydrogen gas. Now, one thing you're going to notice from all this is that hydrogen is displaced. From our first equation to our third equation, hydrogen is displaced. All right. So if this is what you got from your attempt, you are correct. Now, for our last equation, when we react copper with water, there's going to be no reaction. There's going to be no reaction because copper cannot react with steam or water. So reacting copper with H2O is going to give you no reaction. It doesn't react with water under normal normal conditions even with steam because it's less reactive. Fourth, from our exercise, our answer is copper. Alright, so if this is what you got, you're correct. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, share the video to help all the students out there, and thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe.